If you follow the steps in this video, this will help you download the full Microsoft Office package for your device at home, whether that be a tablet, a PC, a laptop, a Chromebook, whatever you are using. Now, your child's account gives them access to download the full Microsoft Office package to their own devices at home, up to 5 devices. And you simply just need their login details that they use to access RM Unify and Microsoft Teams. So to begin with, what you're going to need to do is go to your internet browser, whether that be Google Chrome, whether that be Microsoft Edge or Safari if you're using an Apple product. So in this case, I'm going to use Microsoft Edge, and I'm going to go to my web address bar and search for the web address www.office.com. Now that will bring up hopefully a drop down menu. If not, it's just office.com, and you can hit the enter button, and that will bring you to the Office 365 page. Now from here, you're looking for the sign in button, the orange sign in button that you should be able to see. And then you're going to need to log in using your child's credentials. So I'll use an example one in this video, but it would be their forename with a full stop, followed by their surname, and then at multimanoracademy.com. And then their password is the new password that they've been given recently, which replaces the old Manor password. So if I type in the email address, and then hit sign in, that will then most likely bring me to a different login page, the RM Unify portal, just so that's all linked. So in this case, I'm going to type my password in. So this is just using a test account. So it might bring you up with a little introduction as to what you can do in the Office 365 account. If you want to use that, you're more than welcome to look through there. And what you'll see is a list of different pieces of work that the student has had access to. This will be linked with their Microsoft Teams account and the different areas of Microsoft that their children use. Now, what we're looking for in this situation when we arrive at this page is the Install Office button in the top right hand side of our page here. So we're going to click the drop down menu, and we're going to select other install options. This should now bring you to another page where you can see a variety of options. We're going to now want to install Office. So if you're doing this on the computer that you would like it to be downloaded onto, you're going to select Install Office on there. And then you should get either a pop-up or a little download, as you can see here in the bottom left of my screen. When this is downloaded, you can then click on that, open it up, and it will then run the installation package on your computer. If you are prompted to log it in at any stage, it's just the same credentials that you've downloaded this from. So again, your child's account, and then that should install that on your computer and give them the license key to run Microsoft Office on your devices. So hopefully, if you use your child's credentials, that will help you download the full Microsoft package onto the computers